I'm going to be showing you how to create a TaskRabbit account. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is open a browser. So you can use any of the browser that you have. I'm going to be using Safari, but if you have Chrome, you can use that, or if you have Firefox, it's completely up to you. I'm just going to tap on Safari right there, and after I'm here, what you need to do is go to TaskRabbit.com. So as you can see, now you're on TaskRabbit. So to start up, what we need to do is choose I want to earn money. So just look at the top left where you can see this 3-line button. Just tap here and now you have option right here that says sign up and log in. Just go ahead on tap here. Now you can find sign up option right there. Just go ahead on tap here. And now all you need to do is enter your first name like it says here, and enter your email address, and then just enter your phone number, and then just enter your password. You can just create a strong password to make it secure and just enter the zip code of your area. And after you've done so, just tap on I agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can tap on create account and you're good to go. Now all you need to do is verify with an OTP, and you may also need to verify your ID card or your passport or a background check required to become a tasker. And then you can add a payment method, bank account, or payout method so you can receive earnings, and then you can start working. So once approved, you can accept local tasks and earn money. So that's how you create a TaskRabbit account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.